I think GlassCon's been a fantastic event so far.
We have a lot of real experts around the world.
The subjects that were touched upon were subjects that I was very interested in.
This type of conference is very common in Europe, but it's the first time we've ever had anything like this in the United States. And the vision was really threefold. One was to bring new and innovative technologies that are, for the most part, being developed offshore, not in the United States, to bring them to the U.S., to inspire people, to incorporate some of these new technologies into building facades and our work here. The second was to encourage better collaboration with universities here in the U.S. to encourage young students to get involved in doing postgraduate studies and PhD studies dedicated to glass and glazing and our trade. And then finally, just to create an opportunity for networking with a lot of people that our contractor base would not normally get to meet.
Given the fact that this is the first time that this conference is happening here in the United States, it's a pretty big attendance. And I was particularly impressed with the draw that this conference had. You know, when you go to these conferences, there's always some presentation that you really, really appreciate, some subjects that you're really looking forward to. And that was the case at this conference.
People can move from track to track depending on what topic may be of interest to them.
There are some very special topics, special presentations here, and I can learn a lot from them.
There's been a range from real production technology aspects through to all sorts of design aspects. Great emphasis on the performance and sustainability of building facades.
The networking here is absolutely fantastic. So you meet new people and have a lot of discussions, and that's the starting point for networking here.
It was great to see a lot of familiar faces on the industry back here. But also, the interesting part for myself was, of course, reaching out to the more local people here and establishing new connections with people.
It's really brought the network of people together, and I met a lot more people from US industry, US architects, other consultants.
Certainly I felt like I've been inspired by some of the research that's been done by other people.
The biggest impact is going to be improved contact with glass companies and other knowledgeable people in the glass industry right across the US industry. That's the big plus for me.
I've seen some cutting-edge presentations, for example, that I definitely will take home and will think about, and probably it will influence my work.
It's been very thought-provoking, and that's what you try to do, is create thoughts and ideas and to introduce people to new technologies and new concepts.